Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today I want to show you another formatting command. This one is called formatrecord. And let's open the manual with Ctrl-Shift. And you see basically here we have as always various examples. Let's take the first one. This one is very old. I have to update that in the documentation. So good. So as you see, if we take this stuff out, we basically have our random records here without any colors, but now based on any value here in the table, we can define how our records should be colored. So if we take this one, so we see we define our format based on the value. So everything that is above 80 will be red. And when we look here, our value is above 80 and this record here is colored red. And all the other records are respectively colored based on these values here. Now, this here is basically any kind of expression that you want to have. So for example, you can also say here and index must be bigger than, let's say, 20. And let's push that as well here. So now the first 20 should actually not be colored exactly, they will all be gray, right? Except what we can do to have absolutely no color, we say here index above 20, so the first 20 are not colored. And this one, excuse me, I was coming just from Java, so here the O and the AND is an AND and not an ampersand. So this should, now it works, perfect, good. So here you can create any condition you like to color the whole record. Another thing that is useful here is when you write format record and then press Ctrl space, you already have down here formats with 3 different amount of colors sorted by in different ways. So for example, low to high, 3 colors. And then you can just change here the values. For example, you take the index instead of the value and you get your coloring as you need it. Now, what is this useful for? If you combine that whole thing with the display command, then you have here as table or as, for example, status tiles. So your tiles will be colored. Let's turn off the menu, false. So you get all your tiles colored as they should be. And this is also true for all the other displays, so this will be reused for every display that you have, for example for the panels. Let me do this back so we get a little bit more color. Let's say this one. Good. So we have the table, we have cards, we have and a new one. I'm just working on this one. Properties. So this is a new variation of displaying where we get panels that show the properties as we want them, and we get the color above here as a small line. And yeah, that's basically what the format record command is used for. Small command, very powerful. I wish you a lot of fun, and I'm gone now. Bye.